At the top of your screen, you're going to see icons in your dashboard. Now, the icons are going to be beneficial to you to managing your Schoology. The first icon here is a notification bell. This will let you know with an illumination that you have had new assignments posted or grades have been posted. To the left of that, you will see messages. This will allow you to message administrators, teachers, coaches, club advisors, school support staff, or your peers throughout the school district. The next icon, the calendar, will allow you to look at possible assignment due dates, meetings, or any other activity that you may be involved in. The next icon is the app icon. As you can see, there have been some applications preloaded for me as a student. Finally, there is the search icon. The search icon will allow me to look through Schoology for certain items if I know their names.